Assalamualaikum. I am Diana and today I would like to present my title, which is Fermented Coffee Ground as a Healthy Fish Feed. So recent years we have seen a dramatic expansion of aquaculture feed industry, which is matched by an intense period of research into the biology of farm species. However, feed supply and feed costs are the major problem, and it is the most expensive components in sustainable aquaculture farming for all species, which it takes around 65 to 70% of total operating costs. So due to the expensive price of existing feed, for example, fish meal, so some breeders tend to use antibiotic to produce quick growing fish and definitely to cut on fish feed costs. However, these antibiotics have been banned worldwide. Hence, alternative protein sources to replace the diminishing production of fish meal have to be explored to overcome the increasing market price of fish feed and production sustainable products. So currently, coffee is the most profitable crop in global market and also in Malaysia due to the huge demand of coffee drinks. However, coffee consumption generates a considerable volume of spent coffee ground, which is majority of the spent coffee ground is generally burned or dumped into landfill. So due to its vital amino acid content as well as high protein composition, coffee ground is expected to be a viable raw material option to replace fish meal or as a supplement. So therefore, the present study had used spent coffee ground byproduct with the fermentation technology to drive for a circular economy to the farms. So this is how fermented spent coffee ground pellet was prepared before. So first thing first, we collected the coffee ground from industry, and then it will mix with 10% of molasses and 0.001% of lactobacillus aedesophilus, and it kept for 3 weeks, right? Then the fine powder of fermented spent coffee ground were finely grounded and mixed with other ingredients, for example, soybean meal, cornmeal, rice bran, molasses, tapioca, and also vitamin mineral premix. So next, the mixture will then pelleted by passing through a mincer of 2 millimeters, and lastly, it will be applied to the industry. So based on the project, all right, I have turned a coffee ground, which is a waste material from coffee making, into something beneficial, which is aquaculture feed. So based on my preliminary studies, it has been proven that this fermented spent coffee ground pellet has a positive impact on the health and growth performance of aquaculture species, especially for catfish. So I have, and it is safe to say that it has reduced the problem of coffee ground pollutions. So by creating this fermented spent coffee ground, a cheaper option in aqua feed for farmers has been implemented. All right, so we are using a waste material, which is spent coffee ground, and we turn it into something beneficial, which is aquaculture feed. And this also will definitely help, to have a sustainability aqua feed. All right, it can be used for a long period of time, and definitely it is safe for consumer, for a human consumption, and as well as for the aquaculture species. So this fermented spent coffee ground, if we reach to global market demand, provided that we have a training program, curriculums, and also we have expertise, which is consultation on fish feed technology. This would lead to a more successful of using this fermented spent coffee ground into a pellet, fish feed pellet. So by this innovation, it can lead to more effective means of formulation low-cost diet for the aquaculture production. And also we have developed a new model fermented coffee ground-based protein supplement for aquaculture species. With that,